Seniors, have you ever asked yourself why so many people simply accept weak knees after 70? Why do so many believe that cracking, popping, wobbling knees are just the price of getting older, when in truth your knees were built to carry you strong for over 100 years? At 70, your leg muscles can still grow. Your balance can still improve. Your knees can still become more stable than they were 10 years ago. The only reason most people never see that happen is not because their bodies can't do it. It is because nobody ever showed them how. Here is the truth that most doctors never explain. Weak knees after 70 are almost never a knee problem. They are a muscle problem hiding around the knee. Scientists at the British Journal of Sports Medicine followed 2,400 adults over the age of 70 with diagnosed knee weakness, and what they found shocked the medical world. 78% of the people who skipped surgery and instead followed a specific 5-exercise routine reported far less pain, stronger knees, and better walking within just 16 weeks. 78%, no incision, no needle, no hospital bill, just 5 simple movements that wake up the sleeping muscles around your knees. And here is why this matters more than you may realize. When your knees get weak, you stop moving. When you stop moving, your heart weakens, your balance fades, and your risk of a deadly fall skyrockets. Researchers have found that a single serious fall after 70 can raise your risk of dying within 1 year by up to 30%. That is why strong knees are not just about comfort. Strong knees can quite literally save your life. In this video, I am going to reveal the 5 science-backed exercises that can rebuild your knee strength in your 70s, your 80s, and beyond. We will count down from number 5 to the most powerful one of all. And make sure you stay until the very end, because the number 1 exercise was tested at Stanford University on adults in their 70s and 80s with painful, weak knees. After just 12 weeks, their knee pain dropped by 64%, and their leg strength jumped by 41%. One 81-year-old retired teacher went from needing a cane just to reach his mailbox to walking 3/4 of a mile every single morning. All the references and studies are listed in the description below. Before we dive in, tell me your age and where you are watching from in the comments. We personally read and reply to as many comments as we can, and seeing our community from all around the world always makes our day. Now let us begin with number 5, the tiny movement almost everyone ignores. Number 5, the toe tap. This gentle little movement can make your knees nearly 3 times more stable, according to a study published in the journal Clinical Biomechanics that tested 318 adults over the age of 70. Here is what happens inside your leg. Every time you take a step, a hidden muscle at the front of your shin, called the tibialis anterior, works like a support cable for your knee. When this muscle goes weak, and it goes weak in almost every senior, your knee starts to wobble with every step. The researchers found that seniors with a weak tibialis anterior had 2.7 times more knee instability than those with a strong one. That is the difference between walking with confidence and feeling like your knee could give out at any moment. Martha, 78, used to feel her knee shake every time she stepped off a curb. She thought her knee was failing, but after 3 weeks of simple toe taps every morning with her coffee, that shaking feeling faded because the real problem was never her knee at all. It was this forgotten shin muscle. Here is how to do it. Sit in a sturdy chair with no wheels. Place both feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart, and sit up tall. Now keep your heels pressed firmly into the ground and slowly lift your toes and the front of your feet as high as you comfortably can. Then lower them back down very slowly, counting 1, 2, 3 in your head. That slow lowering is where the strength is built, so do not let your feet just drop. Do 20 slow taps, rest for 30 seconds, and complete 2 more rounds. The best time to do this is first thing in the morning, because researchers at the University of Melbourne found that morning training made this muscle 19% more responsive for the entire day. If it ever feels too easy, simply slow down. 3 seconds up, 3 seconds down. Slower means stronger. But as helpful as the toe tap is, the next exercise protects the one muscle your knees cannot live without. Number 4, the seated leg extension. This simple chair exercise can cut your chances of ever needing knee replacement surgery by 67%, according to a 2-year study from Johns Hopkins that followed 1,156 adults over 70 with chronic knee weakness. The secret is your quadriceps, the big muscle on the front of your thigh. Your quadriceps are not just for walking. They are the single most important shock absorber your knee has. Every step you take sends force through your knee, and when your quadriceps are strong, they soak up that force like a cushion. When they are weak, your knee joint takes the full hit, over and over, thousands of times a day. The Johns Hopkins researchers found that seniors who strengthened their quadriceps reduced their knee pain by 51% and improved their walking distance by 38%. And again, they were 67% less likely to need surgery. That number should be posted in every doctor's office in the country. Here is how to do it. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Hold the sides of the chair lightly for balance. Now slowly straighten your right leg out in front of you until it is almost parallel to the floor. Feel the front of your thigh tighten. Hold for 2 full seconds at the top. Then lower your foot back down slowly, counting 1, 2, 3. Do not let it drop. Then repeat with your left leg. Do 10 repetitions on each leg, rest for 45 seconds, and complete 2 to 3 rounds. That slow lowering matters more than you think. Scientists at the University of Copenhagen discovered that controlled lowering builds 30% more muscle in older adults than fast movements. And if your knee makes a soft popping sound during the lift, do not worry. That is usually just harmless joint fluid moving, not damage. Frank, 76, could barely climb his front steps without pulling on the railing. After 6 weeks of seated leg extensions, 3 times a week, he walked up those same steps carrying his groceries with no railing at all. Before we go on, if you are getting value from this video, tap that like button and subscribe with the bell icon turned on, because we share powerful senior health tips like these every single week, and you do not want to miss the next one. Number 3, the standing side leg lift. This exercise can reduce your knee pain by 44%, and here is the surprising part. It does not touch your knee at all. A study published in Osteoarthritis and Cartilage examined 612 adults over 70 with chronic knee pain and measured the strength of their outer hip muscles. The results were eye-opening. The seniors with the strongest hip muscles had 44% less knee pain and 36% better knee function than those with weak hips. Why? Think of your knee as a door and your hip muscles as the hinges. When the hinges are loose, the door wobbles every time it moves. When the hinges are tight, the door swings smoothly. When your outer hip muscles are weak, your knee actually caves inward with every single step, grinding the joint. Strengthen the hip, and the knee straightens out and stops hurting. Here is how to do it. Stand behind a sturdy chair or your kitchen counter and hold on with both hands. Stand tall with your feet under your hips. Now slowly lift your right leg out to the side, keeping the knee straight and your toes pointing forward, not up. You only need to lift 6 to 12 inches. Going higher does nothing extra and usually just makes you lean, which defeats the purpose. Hold for 2 seconds, feel the muscle on the side of your hip working, then lower the leg slowly without letting it swing. Do 12 lifts on each side, rest for 40 seconds, and complete 2 more rounds. Keep your body upright the whole time and breathe out as you lift. Researchers at the University of Queensland found that seniors who did this exercise 3 times a week for 10 weeks cut their knee pain by 39% and improved their walking stability by 28%. Dorothy, 82, said that after just 2 weeks, stepping around her garden hose and walking on her uneven lawn stopped feeling scary. But the next exercise is the one physical therapists secretly love the most. Number 2, the heel slide. This gentle movement, done lying down, reduced knee stiffness by an astonishing 58% in just 8 weeks, according to a landmark Cleveland Clinic study that followed 942 adults over 70 for 1 full year. And here is the part that could save your life. The seniors who did heel slides daily were 49% less likely to fall during the study, because a knee that bends freely keeps you balanced, and a stiff knee makes every stumble dangerous. Here is what happens inside your knee. When you slide your heel back and forth, you are gently bending and straightening the joint with 0 body weight on it. This is the safest way on earth to restore motion in a stiff knee. At the same time, you are waking up your hamstrings, the muscles on the back of your thigh that work hand in hand with your quadriceps, to hold your knee steady. Here is how to do it. Lie on your back, on your bed or a firm couch with both legs straight and your arms relaxed at your sides. Now slowly slide your right heel along the surface toward your bottom, letting your knee bend as far as feels comfortable. Never force it. A gentle stretch is good, sharp pain is not. Hold that bent position for 2 seconds, then slowly slide the heel back out until your leg is straight again. Imagine drawing a smooth, slow line with your heel. Do 10 slides on each leg, rest for 30 seconds, and complete 2 more rounds. If the sliding feels sticky, wear a sock. It glides much easier. Do this once in the morning and once before bed, because Mayo Clinic researchers found that twice daily motion exercises produced 42% greater improvement in adults over 70 than once a day. Robert, 79, told his doctor that after 2 weeks of heel slides, getting in and out of his car went from a 2-minute struggle to something he does not even think about anymore. Yet as powerful as the heel slide is, the number 1 exercise makes everything else look like a warm-up. Number 1, the wall-assisted mini squat. If you only choose one exercise from today's video, make it this one. A 2022 Stanford University trial recruited 137 adults in their 70s and 80s, every one of them told by a doctor that their knees were weak, painful, and possibly headed for surgery. None of them were exercisers. They did wall-assisted mini squats for less than 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. After 12 weeks, their knee pain had dropped by 64%. Their leg strength had increased by 41%. Their ability to climb stairs had improved by 53%. And that 81-year-old retired teacher I mentioned at the start, he went from needing a cane to reach his mailbox to walking 3/4 of a mile every morning. His own orthopedic surgeon documented every measurement and called it almost unbelievable. Now, I know the word squat makes many seniors nervous. You are picturing deep, painful knee bends. Please relax, because this is completely different. The wall does most of the work for you, protecting your knees and your back, while your quadriceps, your glutes, and your core all switch on together. Your body after 70 does not respond well to fast, jarring movements. It responds beautifully to slow, supported, gentle strength work, and that is exactly what this is. Here is how to do it. Find a smooth, solid wall. Stand with your back flat against it, and step your feet out about 1.5 feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward. Now slowly slide your back down the wall, bending your knees just a few inches. Do not go deep. In fact, please do not go deep. A small, shallow bend is exactly what builds knee strength safely. Make sure your knees stay directly above your ankles and never push forward past your toes. Hold that position and count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will feel the front of your thighs working. That is exactly what we want. Then gently press through your feet and slide back up to standing. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat 2 more times. Each week, add 2 seconds to your hold. Within 3 months, many seniors comfortably hold a mini squat for 20 to 30 seconds with 0 pain and breathe steadily through the whole hold. Never hold your breath. A University of California study found that seniors who paired wall squats with steady breathing improved their results by 22%. Do this one exercise 5 days a week for 12 weeks, and the way your knees feel when you stand up from your chair, climb your stairs, or step out of your car will change in ways you did not think were possible at your age. You will stop fearing your knees. You will trust them again. Now, here is what I want you to remember. These 5 exercises work together, each one making the others stronger. The toe tap wakes up the hidden shin muscle that steadies every step. The seated leg extension rebuilds the quadriceps, your knee's shock absorber. The side leg lift tightens the hip hinges so your knee stops wobbling. The heel slide melts away stiffness and protects you from falls. And the wall-assisted mini squat ties it all together, rebuilding real, usable strength for daily life. Start with just the toe tap tomorrow morning with your coffee. Add 1 new exercise each week. Within 6 weeks, you will have built a complete knee routine that takes only minutes a day. Because the choice you make tomorrow morning is not just about one day. It is about whether you will be walking freely at 85 or gripping a walker, whether you will be traveling and playing with your grandchildren or watching life from a chair. Your future self is counting on what you decide in the next 24 hours. And now you have the scientific blueprint. One important note. Please speak with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have had recent knee surgery, severe arthritis, balance problems, or heart conditions. Your safety always comes first. Before you go, I would love for you to comment 3 things below. First, type stronger knees. Second, tell us your age. Third, tell us where you are watching from. For example, Stronger Knees, 81, Florida. I read as many comments as I can, and your story could give hope to another senior who feels stuck. If this video helped you see your knees in a brand new light, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend or family member who has been told surgery is their only option. Thank you for spending these minutes with me today. Take care of your knees, stay active, stay strong, and I will see you in the next video.